Hi everyone. I want to specially welcome you all today for the special live training session with me. Of course, every Mondays, 1 p.m. GMT plus one. Apologies for coming up live later. I was supposed to be up earlier, but I had a few of engagements which I was trying to round up because of this live session. Okay, so are you ready for a great week? Have you been able to see the weekly analysis? Because in the weekly analysis, I take out time to explain to you my perception and a few of the directional bias which I see in the markets. And I strongly believe that with that, you must have been able to catch, you know, some few tips on what to expect in the market. So if you haven't seen the weekly analysis, then you need to go see it. Try to subscribe to our YouTube channel, okay, to have access to that. But meanwhile, we're live already, so get the link to this live video and begin to share them, to your contacts. You need to let as much people know that we're live right now, so that they can, be able to participate in this live trading session. There are a lot of people who truly want to get into trading. They wish, to be traders, but most times the limitations of knowledge has always been a problem. Okay, and that's where we come in. That's where we step in. As experts, we come in to provide you adequate information and guide that can help you succeed in this market. Okay, so there are many who may not be able to afford um, mentorship payments. They may not be able to afford to pay for mentorship. For such people, we let them know that we are having free live training session 1 p.m. In fact, send them the link right now and tell them to join in. It is free. It is free. They're not paying anything. Okay. And as you join the live video, I want you to go to the comment section and begin to write there. Tell us what part of the country you are watching from. Let's know what city you're joining in from. It's important we have all these feedbacks. Okay, so when we're live like this, it's important that we know exactly who and who participates in this live, trading sessions. So let us know where you are connecting from. Let us know where you're watching from. Okay. And then one more thing is there are some of you who have some questions, arising in your heart. You wish we discussed this or you wish we discussed that. Here's the time for you to begin to stipulate or state out that, okay, I love these topics to be discussed, or I want that topic to be discussed. You can go to the comment section and drop the topics as they come to you, as they resonate within you. Drop topics which you really wish we can, talk about, so that we can see how we can approach that. Go to the comment section right now. Let us know the city, let us know the country, let us know where you are watching from. Let's know where you are participating from. Then tell us what you are expecting. Some of you are expecting certain topics to be addressed, to discuss. You can say that also at the comment section. And also tell us how it's been with you in this new week, this new trading week. Have you been making profits? Okay, because there are some markets that already started moving since the opening of the market. There's some that we're expecting to move, like EU. I posted a signal on EU this morning and didn't quite go as expected, though it was a counter trend. It was a counter trend, but I just thought to post that because I felt, since price was at our confluence and we have a law, a direct law that says when price gets into so zones, we must execute. What happens, the psychology and the temptation behind not executing price when it plays out as you expected or predicted, is that when the profitable one comes, you will not get it. Okay, so that's why it's usually psychologically right that you took it, it failed, but the confidence and determination to have taken it is what will drive you to take the right one. So what we did is that even though we took that entry and it hit stop loss, we had already calculated that okay, if it hits stop loss, so amount of pips must be only what we are losing or willing to lose on that move. So what I'm doing now, I think you should be doing as well, is I'm sharing out the live streaming link to every of my contacts, and all the various um, social media groups where I belong, so that people who want to participate in this live training session can have access to it. So I'm wondering exactly what you are doing with your own time. So please share the live video, share the live video, share the live video, share the live video. Share the links to your contact. Tell them that we are live and that we are trading live. Okay, anyone who wants to participate can actually be a part of this live trading session. So quickly, we're going to dive into what we have to discuss today, and let's move straight into the charts. I'm sure some of you are seeing what the BTC is doing already. There's a great BTC declined greatly. Okay, so I'm sharing the screen now. So something happened last week. I discovered that at one point my screen was not being seen. So I'm really sorry about that. I only got to see that because what I do is that I get to watch these videos and I get to see what exactly I taught you, just to be sure I scrutinize what I teach, just to be sure that I gave sufficient value, that can improve your trading career. So in the process of watching, I discovered that at one point when I was talking about the CFDs, indices, and commodities, and I was talking about those ones that are HTP, I found out that you didn't see it. And I want to use this opportunity to, apologize to you all. I'm really sorry that it went that way. I didn't know that you were seeing those, those explanations I was making there. Apologies on that. So I just checked now. I'm going to be checking all through today. I just checked now and I can see that my screen is being seen. And if you look, you see what BTC is currently doing. BTC has seriously dropped. Of course, we're expecting BTC to go to about 88,000, before retracing back to what it did in the previous times. And it's currently on 90,000. So we're still expecting it has taken out this low. We're still expecting the BTC to still decline. If we go to the higher time frame, let's say 3 hours time frame, you're going to find that the only liquidity that is most likely going to hold BTC is still very much far. If you look closely, you see that liquidity is just about 87,000. So it's still very much fast. So BTC, I expected BTC to still decline. I, for a person, I could have been selling BTC, and if you had sold, of course, you could have made money. But my concern is, I don't like to go against trend. I try everything as much as possible to avoid trends, and mostly, if I'm dealing with, let's say, I'm dealing with BTC, I'm dealing with Ethereum, all of those coin that maybe are supposed to be going on a bull run, going to trade them against the bull run is not usually a beautiful idea for me. I'm usually very, very skeptical about that. Just like the synthetic, whenever I'm trading boom or I'm trading crash, I always look out for this. When I'm trading boom, I ensure that I trade boom only when I am seeing a bullish entry. I trade crash only when I'm seeing a bearish entry, because the booms like the name, it booms, it spikes upward. Okay, the crash crashes downward, just like the name. And so because of that, the liquidity has more power in the crashing for crash, and the liquidity has more power in the buying for boom. So if I am going contrary to any of those supposed movements, then I'm looking for trouble. So it's usually best that I go into boom when it's buying, because you're going to spike upward most likely, and best that I go selling or bearish on crash. So this is exactly what BTC is doing currently. So BTC is a no-go area for buying right now until it gets to 87. Once BTC is 87, get ready. We're going to be buying it, and we may take it up to 100,000. So fortunately, I'm starting up with crypto. Okay, so what Ethereum did was Ethereum actually did hit TP before it went bearish. Okay, so that entry on Ethereum was good because it actually hit TP. So let's check on it on 45. So if you look at it very well, you see that it hit TP. So let me post that. For those of you in the free channel, you may say I have never posted an entry on Ethereum. The reason is because Ethereum is a VIP signal. So if you must get that entry, then you may need to subscribe to the VIP channel. So the VIP channel is a paid channel, or you subscribe to you subscribe to the VIP channel. So this was the Ethereum post. You must have seen it now in this live session. For those of you who were privy to be in the live session of last week, during that live session, I took out time to give signals. I gave out signals, and these were VIP signals, but I gave it on the live session, of which, if you were not even on the VIP package, you would have access to all of this, and that's a bonus. That's a bonus. Okay, so I haven't talked about Bitcoin, Ethereum. You should know they are brothers. I always say this. I don't know how when you would realize that Bitcoin and Ethereum are brothers. When Bitcoin does a thing, if Ethereum is not doing it immediately, watch out for when it will do it, because it will eventually do it. It will eventually do it. It may not do it immediately, but because what controls them is almost the same, okay? So they may most likely behave the same way. So I'm going to wait for Ethereum to finish this bearish retracement, of which from the 24 hours time frame, I'm expecting Ethereum either to decline to this level, which is just about 2009, thereabout. So once Ethereum is about 2009, then you need to be attentive, because we're going to be buying Ethereum. We're going to go all through in. Now, pardon me, I won't be able to take so much on crypto because my hands are very full. Okay, my hands are very, very full. There are many other currency pairs that we're trading. There are many other CFDs, commodities that we're trading. So we can only take Bitcoin and Ethereum, okay, for now, while we are able to create avenues for other pairs. So let's go in with our first consideration in trading pairs, which is the DXY. So this is what the DXY is currently doing. Okay, so it's taking out this, breaking out this structure, and it has given a new low, of which except this low is taken out. So most times look at the low from after the week. Don't look at it before the week, okay? Because you cannot outrightly get a correct break of structure or change of character or market structure shift on the weeks, just like this. You can't say this is the break of structure. It can be, and that's why if you notice, for those people who thought it's probably a break of structure, they may have a lot of things to reconsider around this point. So the real break of structure, if you are looking at this week, started from here, just at the body before the week was created. Second one here is here. The third one is here. So it looks like DXY is on a constant bull trend. Looks like it's on a constant bull trend. And if it's on a constant bull trend, I told you, What we're going to do is we're going to find the bearish move in GU and EU. So this is GU. GU hasn't really gotten to the liquidity zone. So I'm not going to be looking forward to buying GU. I'm not interested in buying GU for now. Not interested. Until I find DXY gives me a full confirmation for the bearish move and a full confirmation for GU going bullish, I am not going to be buying GU. And most likely, I may not find that directional bias today. I'm looking at the time, it's almost New York time, and I'm expecting the New York time to provide enough liquidity to drive the market. But at the same time, from what I'm seeing, the New York time may not give my confirmation. It may move the market, of course, because there will be more volatility. The big players, the market institutions, the big financial institutions will definitely move the chart. But excuse me, what I'm not sure is if they will give me my confluence to determine whether I'm going to go in. So this will be the okay. So we have stride already. So we have break of structure here. Have break of structure here and the low was here. So until the market is able to take out this, because it's a low, how do you say? This is the previous low. This is the recent low. This is the higher low. So this is the higher low that if defiled, then you will begin to think of reversal or market structure shift for the GU directional bias. But until then, GU's directional bias is bearish. So I'm expecting it to get to this point, at least before it begins to find the bullish move. And also with DXY. Also with DXY. So when we look at DXY from the 1 hour time frame, we'll find that it's constantly bullish. Excuse me, it's constantly bullish. This other block has been mitigated. So the DXY looks like it is coming here. Okay. And then until it gets there, our business is to sell GU, which is this, and to sell EU. You see that? Now, for me, selling EU will not really be an option because it's on a liquidity zone, which has been tested. I'm expecting EU to buy. Yeah, I'm expecting it to buy, at least buy up to this point before going bearish because it has already tested this liquidity zone, needs to retrace to come back before we can determine GU's directional bias. So let's run straight into gold and see what it's doing. Oh. So there was an entry on gold. There was an entry on gold. Because of my schedule, I didn't get it. Alright, so gold took out this previous low. Okay, and I haven't taken out the previous low. It's supposed to retrace. So let's look at what bearish move on gold. So all these liquidities have been out already. So gold may come find a point of interest for going bearish, of which it's either going to come here, it's fair value gap, or it's going to come here. So we're just going to watch and observe it for now before deciding what to do with gold. All right, so let's go straight to the commodities, the CFDs. So which one do we start with? Okay, let's look US 30 from the 2-hour time frame. We drew our liquidity line from the 4-hour. I'm observing from the 2-hour time frame. So No entry yet on US 30. I'm expecting a break of structural change of character here. If I find my entry on US 30, US 100 and US 30 are almost the same. Just like GU, EU, BTC, Ethereum, they're almost like twin. And crude oil, that's US oil, is just almost like they are. Okay, no, crude, no. Crude is almost as I think crude is on its own kind. I think it's let me see Nasdaq first. Okay, so it's Nasdaq US 30 and US 100 that actually go in the same direction. So um no entries for all of them. So there are some pairs I haven't looked at. I have GJ, no entries yet, you can see. No entries yet, still constantly bearish. And then we have EJGJ almost the same. So I haven't seen that. We have UG. UG is currently bullish. So we're just gonna observe it and know how far that is going. Currently bullish. So it's already on the POI. It's already tested the POI. So I will be looking forward to EJ get into this liquidity. So if I'm going to buy, it's going to be from here, and my target profit should be on the next liquidity, which is just about here, and my stop loss will just be here. It has to be 1:2. So this is what I can do with EG. That's Euro GBP for now. This is what I can do. So I'm going to post this because this is a VIP signal. I'm going to post this on the VIP group. So that's what I can do with that. Then we have UJ. We have UJ, and okay, UJ is currently bearish. It's currently bearish. So if you go in from here, if you go in from there, peradventure, the target profit should just be on the next low, which is this. The stop loss should be on the previous low. So that is UJ. That's the directional bias for UJ. That's the directional bias for UJ. So haven't seen UJ. Let's look at the last one here for Forex, which is AU. So AU is not yet going bullish. So let's see. I checked it the other time. Let's see 1 week. Okay, so there's a week here. We would have traded that week. It's already gone. The next week is here. So we trade weeks on AU. Now not week like WEEK, which is week in a month. No, it's week WICK. So these rejections that gives this long tiny line is what is called week. That's what we trade. So we trade the liquidities on those weeks. So this will be all on Forex. So quickly let's move into the synthetics. And meanwhile, remember we're having the February bootcamp. Make sure you don't miss it. The February Forex and Crypto bootcamp will be taking place in Abuja. Registration is just 50,000 naira. So you can register with that monthly. and the July bootcamp will be in Lagos. Of course, the Abuja campuses would run pari passu because after this February, which we launched out the physical training centers, we're going to have March, we're going to have April, May, June, like that, even up to December. It's going to be a constant structure that we're in Abuja. So Lagos kicks off in July, and I will be there physically to ensure that it runs smoothly and put some delegates in charge of that, of which Lagos campuses would run, regularly as well. So we have our e-card on that, and this is it. So if you're on the website www.ksgctrading.com, you find the February bootcamp. So you can click to register and get enrolled and get on board for that beautiful opportunity. So here is the e-card that was made for you. Those of you following us on our social media platforms and channels, you must have seen the e-cards. So we're looking out for updates for Forex, crypto, synthetic, CFDs, indices, and the rest of them. And for the synthetics, for the synthetics, so I posted this entry in the early hours of today, which is jump 100, only on the VIP channel, and I'm just discovering to see that it induced. It's induced. It's highly unfortunate. Okay, but we're going to get another entry. So that's how to approach the markets. You will not always be right. When you are wrong, you're going to reanalyze and get it right the next time. So we have volatility 25. I'm looking to see if the entry is here. Okay, looks like we have an entry here. Looks like we have an entry here. Yeah, we have volatility 50. It is the same thing, jump 100 here. Because this, well, it looks like it's going straight to the take profit. So we went in too early. But that was our conference. Okay. So we just need to just reanalyze our conference. So we have volatility 75. Volatility 75. I'm seeing an entry from here. Stop loss just around here. And then volatility 100. Already moving. So it's supposed to go in from here. Already moving. Yeah. I can't even see this stop anytime soon. I'm seeing boom 500. Okay, so boom 500. I haven't seen the entry yet. I haven't seen the entry yet. So once I see the entry, I'll let you know. But my eyes are on the bullish move. Then crash 500. Looks like we get an entry on crash. It's like maybe an entry crash. So I'm expecting it to come here. Or we'll start finding the bearish move. And then we have jump 25. I'm really sorry I did not share the synthetic screen. Just realized that now. But all the updates have been posted. I'm really sorry. Yeah, I just saw your message on the group, on the comment section. Sorry about that. My screen has been on Forex instead of on synthetic. Sorry. But I posted the entries I talked about on the channel. So in case you want to join the channel, so you can see those updates, you can just go to the website. Okay, sorry about that. So go to the website. Just I'm posting the website on the comment section. They look for the free channel or the VIP channel. Try and join it so you can get your updates. So this is exactly what I'm seeing on John 25. I'll do a quick overview on all of them since the screen was not being shared, just so you can see it. So for the jump 25, that's what I'm seeing. Okay, I'm going to buy jump 25 now. My stop loss will just be around here, and my take profits. Let me see. Wow, maybe going on a massive buy. Take profits should be here. Within the risk is worth it. Okay, that's what I'm reading on John. So 30 minutes is not bringing it out clearly. Let's see 1 hour. Okay, so 1 hour brings it out clear. So this is what I'm doing on jump. Who's in? If you're in, then let's go. Because that's what I see jump doing. Jump 25. So the jump 25 is for both the free channel and the VIP channel. Free channel and VIP channel. So I just posted it now on the VIP channel and on the free channel. So that's what I'm seeing on jump. Then jump 50. Jump 50. Let's see. Ah, it's already moving. It's already moving and it's doing what 25 is doing. So this was the proper break of structure. This was the change of character. So this would have been the entry. So let me just draw it out for you in case you want to see it. So jump 25, sorry, jump 50 is should come to. It's also going on a massive bull. If it retraces, then it's a good entry. So this is what I'm saying. I'm seeing a massive bull move. Okay, so 30 minutes didn't bring it out. Let's see 1 hour. Okay, so 1 hour. So this is what I'm seeing for jump 50. Jump 50. That's what I'm seeing for jump 50. Then let's go straight to jump 75. Jump 75. So let's look at it from the entry time frame and see if we have any entry there. Okay, so I wouldn't want to go in immediately because okay, so this low, new low, previous high, okay, new low. There's a new low here. This is not taking out. I'm not looking at it from the week. I'm just drawing the line to point out my confluence. If this low is not taking out like upward, then until then I'm expecting it to come to this point. But I can't find any entry. Can't find any entry on jump 75. I already told you of jump 100. So for the sake of not having the screen, having not had the screen showing you what I was showing you initially, let me quickly just show you everything again from the first one. So let's go straight to 25, volatility 25. That's the entry. So it's a buy, volatility 50. It's already induced, so there's no entry on volatility 50 for now. Volatility 75. That's it. It's a buy. You can buy now in case you want to take it. Then volatility 100. It's already moving, so it's not an option. And then we have boom 500. So boom 500 is looking like it will give us that move, but it's not time. It's not time. It has to take out this previous high, give us a retracement before we go in. It's not time. It's not time. And there's going to be a good bullish move and then crash 500. So you can see, I told you crash 500. We may be crashing with it soon, but also crash is not okay. Okay. Let's go on crash. I've seen my confluence. Let's go on crash. So we're going to be crashing from here to this point. Stop loss should be just alright. So this is a VIP signal. That's crash 500. So I just posted it on the VIP group. And that's it. So I already showed you jump 25, jump 50, jump 75, and jump 100. So that's all we can take for today. So we've looked at the Forex, CFDs, synthetics, indices, commodities, crypto, and so many that can help you in the market. So get on the website, join the channels, free channel, VIP channel, and so you can get more updates on what we are doing. I said on the comment section, let us know what you're from. A lot are here to share. Let us know the topic we like us to talk. A lot are here to share. But if you still want to go to the comment section, please do go there, drop your message, and let's talk. Okay. All right. So that'll be all we'll be taking today. I'll be looking forward to having you again next week, Monday, GMT plus 1 p.m. And then remember, we're going to be having the weekly analysis, the weekly review and weekly analysis. Until then, keep enjoying yourself and keep winning. So go back into your channels, free channel, VIP channel, and display my updates as we trade. Have a great week. See you soon.